Wedding mistakes you can make? I've got 5 of them, and how to avoid them. Not hiring a professional hair and makeup team. A professional hair and makeup team is going to keep you on time and looking good. Traveling to multiple venues. Don't overcomplicate things. Instead, simplify them. Don't add unneeded stress to your day. Not hiring a great wedding photographer to capture your big day. Now, I could be biased with this one, but a great wedding photographer is going to elevate your event and capture all the photos that you want. Jamming too many events into your reception. You don't want your reception to feel like it's one event after another, potentially ruining the flow of your reception. You want people to relax, enjoy themselves, and enjoy some dancing. Making your reception too long. Don't drag your dance party out too long. If it's 4 hours long, no one's going to be left on the dance floor for your exit. You want it so when the DJ or the band says final song, you want people to say, no, one more song. That's how you know you had a great reception. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content just like this.